around. Anyway, how are you? Merry Christmas. I'm Sally Jacks. They are hilarious, aren't they? I absolutely love them. I've got another pair of like elf things with big ears on for this year. Anyway, today I wanted to show you all my hacks. So my hacks for around the home, and these are special hacks. There's some that won't include Christmas, but there's some that is including Christmas, but it gives you some tips. So these are like my mum hacks for Christmas. So I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave your comments in the section below. I hope you enjoy. Do you know when you've got a little present to wrap and it's the last bit of wrapping paper and it doesn't reach, and it doesn't matter which way you go, it's not going to reach, so you can't use it? A really great hack is to actually twist it on its side and go this way and then sellotape it up, and you've got yourself a gift that can be wrapped, because you've just tilted it another way, and boom, just had that bit underneath there. The piece of paper now fits for you to be able to wrap that gift. That is such a great hack. It's brilliant, and it saves you loads of paper as well. Hack number 1. Another great little hack is one of these presents for somebody. So it could be a teacher, it could be somebody that's done something special for you through the year. And what I've done is I've got a silicone mould in a star, which I'd ordered from eBay. I'd also got a silicone mould, which I got from the supermarket a couple of years ago. And I've made white chocolate, which is 30 pence. Molly's, hang on, let me just get the Molly's white. 30 pence. Molly's chocolate, 30 pence. But I got 2 of those to make this. So that's 90 pence to make the chocolate inside, and obviously more white chocolate came out, so you've got enough to make another one with the white chocolate, if that makes sense. And then I've got some string that I've already got in my crafting cupboard, pair of scissors, and then I've waited for it to set, and then I've got this clear like cellophane, and I got this from the range, so really easy to pick up, and I'm sure they'll have it in the dollar store if you're in America. And I've just made that. You could put a little tag on, but I'm in a rush, so this is going to a tombola at Frankie Jack's Christmas fair, which is tomorrow, and it's really simple and really quick to make. And obviously you can be giving these as gifts, as well as giving them to fairs, and as well as giving them to the school to make money. So that's another top hack of mine. How good does it look when somebody comes round, maybe over Christmas, and you give them a cup of hot chocolate like this, and all you need to do is do the flakes. Obviously it's going to look better if it's dark chocolate, because it won't look as milky, but I prefer milky chocolate. So I've got a 30 pence bar, and all I'm doing is doing this with a potato peeler, and this gives you these lovely swirls that you don't need to go and buy. And of course you can keep them in the fridge if you wanted to, and then what you do is you take a load of them and then you sprinkle them on top. How fabulous does that look? And that's all with just a potato peeler and a bar of chocolate. Another mum hack. So I am just starting to decorate for Christmas in the hallway, and actually you can see that vlog. I'll leave a link in the description below. But this is a hack video, and I wanted to show you some of the things that I do. Now, don't think I live a complete and utter blissful life and everything around me is always looking fantastic and rosy, because it isn't. But I do have some things that I do try and do to keep my house and my stuff in check. And one of the things that I do is that every year we always put things away in these plastic boxes. Now, there's lots of different companies that do them. I tend to get mine from Tesco's. Some are taller, some are smaller, but they stack on top of each other. And then if you can see, I actually write, oh, It's got a leaf on it. I actually write what's in the box. So my husband and I do this. It's not just me. And we actually write what's in the box. So this has got the hallway. So of course I'm doing the hallway. But everything that I need will be in this box. And some of the stuff will be in that box. But this now is everything that I need to be able to do up my hallway there and some of the stairs here, which I'm going to start doing in a vlog now. But if you want to watch that vlog, it will be in the description below. So that vlog for me doing this up will be in the description below, because this is a hack video, but that's just a great hack that I use. Another top hack is to put fake presents underneath the tree. Now this has come from a different tree, not my tree on there. So I would do different colours to go there. But this is actually going to be for another decoration. It used to go under my candy cane tree. This way that everything that you do matches what your tree is. And it means that you haven't got real presents underneath your tree. Therefore, when Christmas Eve is gone and Christmas Day has arrived, it doesn't look really bare. And all I've got is a box that I got from either Clinton's cards or a card shop, and I've wrapped it in a bow. Now these bows are the wide ribbon, and of course when they go up in the loft they get a bit squashed, so you've just got to puff them back up again when they come out of storage, and a little bit of a titivation, and you've got a great box that can go in Santa sacks at the top with candy canes, and it just looks a really great decoration. And of course costs next to nothing, but you've always got it there and you've got it year after year. I'm making quite a few of these this year to go outside, but I won't be doing the paper because obviously this is cardboard. I'll be making them out of shoe boxes and I'll be wrapping them in material, and therefore they're going to last outside. So that is another hack of mine for Christmas. So another hack of mine is I've got these roses. My lounge is pink, and so I'm going to have these out for the Christmas period. Now I've shown you how to glitter your roses, but how about flocking your roses? So just spray a little bit of the spray over so they look like they've got a little bit of snow on them. Ta-da! And that is £1 spray from Poundland and some roses that cost me £3 from Tesco's. Pop them in a vase and they're ready to go, and they look like the snow has fallen. Another mum hack. Another tip of mine is as you wrap your presents, you get all this sort of leftover roll and it all unravels and it doesn't keep very well. So what I tend to do is get a roll, and then you want to cut down. So this could be either from kitchen paper. This is from this is from the big blue rolls that I used for Frankie Jack's birthday party, which I showed in one of my vlogs, which I put in the toilet. So we've ended up finishing it now. And then what I will do is wrap that. But you could equally do this with, in fact, I think I've got another one. You could do it with a toilet roll holder. Now, if you want that to look better, you could wrap it in tin foil. But to be quite frank, are you really that bothered? I'm not. All I want to do is make sure that my wrapping paper stays in a good place till I use it the next time, and that's the best way of doing it. So that's another mum hack. I actually keep, you know, these bins that you can get for kids' toy rooms. I actually keep one of these to keep all my wrapping paper in, and that's my new wrapping paper that I bought last year in the sale, bows and things, and also bags that I got in the sale last year. So I put those in there with all the tags that I haven't used, or I find a little bag, organza bag to put them in, or a box, and I put them all into there, and then that goes up in the loft and it comes down every year, and then I know exactly where all my Christmas wrapping is. I tend to purchase a lot of it in the January sales, because big bags that could be £2-3, you will find that they will reduce by 75% sometimes in the sale. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, but that was actually from 2 Januaries ago. So because I got an awful lot from the range when they went 75% off, but everything is there. See, £4.50 from Next, now £2. So this is I'm going to be using this year, and that's a great way. Also do that with your tissue paper, because some of the cheaper stores can actually do big rolls of tissue paper. Well, not rolls, but packs of tissue paper. So instead of getting 3 pieces of tissue paper, you wanted to be going for 7, 10, or even 20 in a pack. Because also I wrap in tissue paper and then put into bags, and that sometimes is a quicker way of wrapping for adults and looks more expensive. That's another hack. You know when you lose the end off the end of your sellotape and you're forever like this? In fact, it's there. but you can damage your nails doing it. It's irritating and you can never find it. Now there's 2 tips that you can do here, but we don't have bread in the house, but the clip that's round your bread, you can put that there. But me, I stick an old penny and away in the cupboard, and you can always find the end of your sellotape. That is a great tip, because that is one of the most annoying things ever. Another great hack is these really easy ideas. So all you get is the giant marshmallows. You put a candy cane in, take the wrapper off the candy cane, dip that into some melted chocolate, which I use Molly's chocolate from Tesco's, and then sprinkle sprinkles around the bottom. Or you can actually crush up the candy canes and sprinkle those around the bottom. Quick and easy, set in the fridge. And then of course these ones, I made these the other week, so I'll leave the link in the description below. And these are so easy, they look like Christmas puds. I did them with meringues the week before. For Frankie Jack's Christmas party, I've made them with marshmallows. So these are both made with the same bag of marshmallows. Quick, easy and cheap, and a fantastic hack. Thank you for watching. It's been lovely to have your company, and please subscribe, press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification. Love you lots. I'll see you tomorrow.